Welcome to the mix. And all the mix we have Marcia. Now Marcia is talking about the money that she got to help to pay her rent. Now she's saying that yes, there was something that came up in court, but she did not go to court, so a judge did not see her as she already had paid her rent. She said that her rent was paid through a program that was able to help her to pay her rent. And why would anyone out there that has rent to be paid or someone that's getting free money to help them pay their rent, why would they take advantage of it and have that done? She's saying that her cousin was the one who told her about this. And when she spoke to the landlord said, yes, that was what is happening. And other people were doing the same thing. And they were, paying their rent using that. She said, yes, there was a backlog where the rent would have taken maybe a bit longer to be paid and but she still paid her rent, and so she doesn't know why they came on social media talking about, okay, they had this record from court to say that she had a court date and whatever. But currently she's talking about this and other things. So guys, go ahead and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies that are out there today that's celebrating a birthday, I hope you have yourself a wonderful night. And to all my subscribers, have yourself a wonderful, wonderful evening.
Be better broke, but Jesus the broke. Be better broke, but Jesus the broke. Jesus said, ask and you shall receive. And seek and you shall find. Knock on the door shall be open unto you. So me better broke, but Jesus the broke. Eh? Those me no be say if you read court document come, me never go in the front of court. Me never go in a door judge. Not this a girl here. I had a negotiation between me and for them, like me never out a door me sit down. And me come to the conclusion. So me no be say if a court document you want to read from where you want to read. You understand? You read all documents when the paperwork first submitted. But that is it. So we make a decision to go and take my money and go there the rest of money. Some in the business what court document you want to read. You might have read court document, but you don't read it understanding. You have to have understanding reading the court document what is implementing. If you and your boyfriend get in a trouble and you go in a trouble and you have a domestic violence issue and it won't a crawl and you scratching for your hand and you go to jail and you get arrested and come back up, the paper is going to state it that's a domestic violence. So if me don't have a court documentation where it says rent or whatever it is because they're waiting on United City, and many people end up in situation like that and them get their money at a time and whatever left over I take it because of what United City take long, then it's going to state it like that. But you know mean so them not get paid, them get paid because me have my receipt for sure, them not owe nothing. Them get all them payment plus them ask me when did I want to leave. I said I'm going to leave in October. They said, do you want the rest of money to continue? I said no, and because I have issues, I'm not going. Everything was fine. They was waiting on United City to pay them up, until when me call the state pan them about the issues. And when me call the state pan them, the Connecticut something, at that time them when them send the paperwork or give me, You understand? So it don't matter. It don't matter. So that is when them finalize everybody. Right now, there is me know about 3 people right now in a woodland village where them door have big paper. From my left over there, them have violation paper. Every apartment or almost over there violation paper. You know how much money them a pay? Do you know how much empty apartment over there right now? Do you know how much door of violation? You know how much them a pay there? $100. My cousin just tell me said it Connecticut law is raised now to $250. If you don't do what you're supposed to do. So, me no business what court document you want put. As long as them get their money. and me get my leftover money. So me ask a question. Then who in their right mind would I know say the government is giving 15,000 bomboclat dollar and you continue to pay rent? You tell me now, then I wish fucking idiot would I know that there's a program out there that is giving $15,000 to help you if you're a low income family and you continue to take your cash money. Everybody in Connecticut and New York City or wherever the program is, at that them have to go through. Many of them can come and testify because them is not a blogger. Them end up in the same situations. Who in them right mind know that there is a United City program out there giving non-profit organization with the government when my fucking hard working tax money when minister country for 4 decades working, knowing that there is $15,000. Are the landlord tell me to do it, you know? Are the landlord tell me, who are idiot? Then why you think say me coulda do what me want do? Buy up me sheet them every time I have that money there and go have my sheets them and my other respect my thing and go and name restaurant food every day. Although me can't name, but I'm just saying. Then who in a the right race mind and the immigrant them come here and I get hotel, them I get housing, furniture. I mean yes, them will get $2,000 per credit card, debit card now. Them fi come from across the blood clot world with them some of them is nothing but a terrorist come America fi gonna get trouble. You understand? So let me see. So when you think about that, you tell me if you wanna get it. You wouldn't take it. Landlord never tell me not a ras. My cousin called me and tell me, say, Marcia, you know, so there's free money given away. Because I have a friend who have it. My cousin called me and tell me, if you want to hear the historical reality of Marcia life, my cousin called me and tell me, say, Marcia, you gonna know what's a free money I give away? Me say, where I say? He say, yes. So when I go up at the office to pay my rent, me ask the landlord about it. Him say, yes, go ahead and do it. Everybody in here is doing it. Everybody is doing it. And when I saw the Spanish guy and 2 other person out the road, me said to them, and my cousin tell me about it, say our friend do it. My cousin will live across the road. Call me say, Curly, you know, say, we hear say them have a program giving away $15,000. So when me go up there for pay my rent, me see the guy and the landlord, and me say to them, say, is it true? Him say, yes, oh yes, a lot of people doing it. Once me hear him say that, him say, go ahead and do it. File for it and do it. Because that man always trying. So when I heard about it, when my cousin tell me about it, me just go and file for it. And once you file for it, you can't pay no more rent. You get one number. And it take very long for come through sometime. Sometimes it take all 3, 4, 5 months before it come through. Me not ask you. Depends on how many people is in line before you. So when I'm calling them about the issues in the house, they call it the state upon them and tell them if you can do whatever. That's when them come. When me look the following week, then give me notice. And what them going to give me notice for? Non-payment. Because once you enter into the system and you get a number, you can't pay no more rent because it's going to come. Because it will come one big lump sum. Right? I may have my documentations. And so once you get the number, you're ready, and then them finalize you and approve you. You get somebody where handle your case. And you keep on checking up and them tell you no, other people is front. Sometimes the money goes away. Sometimes the money go away for waiting to go to Congress and come back. I remember saying a welfare, this is a non-profit organization where the legislatures and your governor. The other day, Hartford gets 6 million. How much million? A 20 million? Or a 20 million? 100 million. Them send me from the 1199. How much million? A 100 million? And 6 million is them split up with me. Have a letter where come. Because true, me go to the legislative branch and I go vote. So them send me. Hartford get the new guy, black guy, rally for the one who win. and he got over 100 million or how much 300 million, something like that. He got 300 million or how much million for Hartford. They're also going to be fixing up this nice place downtown Farmington. You have this big, beautiful place. It look like a one expensive dining area. It come like a one place where you can go keep wedding. That is in the work of fixing up. Them donate some to the library, some to the school. Them have a lot of project around Hartford, and some of it go to United CT. Nobody can come and tell me. So when I heard about it, I said, me I go apply for it. And of course I was approved. $15,000. You understand? So when I call the people on them, you know, because what happened, there's a lot of people that was moving out of the place. A lot of people were having issues. A lot of people not do what them supposed to do. They were getting upset. So them saying, them start give people notice and they're losing money. So once them start to lose money now, them not stop sending out eviction letter to you once you go report them. Because I know people will report them right now. And them give them eviction notice. 3 people right now, I know they give eviction notice. And they're moving out. 3 people where them come and then put the paper on the door, and the paper been on the door for months. Then give the eviction notice, they're moving out. Then give the eviction notice. And them have to pay $100 a day for it. So that place is soon shut down because they get and from me left over there, me see some about Wolipa apartment. Them not rent it. Nobody know want them. You understand? So that is how the process work. So me no know who we not go pay money when we could have take my money to other things. You think me an idiot? How we know say free money? A rock stone. So I had over $6,000 left out of my $15,000. So when I go to court, me never even bother. Go negotiate. Go whatever. Me just say, you know what? Me decide my mind already, so me leaving. So when them get the money and we never bother go to court, we just go through my lawyer and for them. I sit down right in the hallway. I'm going to one guy in one room and him type up. And he said, when do you want to leave? And I said, I'm going to leave by October. And him say, okay, you need how much time you need? I say, give me 2-3 months. Because me check say, when they give me 3 months, say, okay, do you want to stay and give them the remaining balance of the money? Me say, no, because it have issues. No, I'm not going to stay. I'm going to leave. They say, how long you going to take for leave? Me say, 2 months. Me check say no, by giving them the 2 months for leave. I was going to be getting a place. Me never know such a last place I have to find. Me and in the Hartford, if you want a good place to live. If you want a good place to live, it is very hard to find. So them said to me, okay, then you can either pay, use the remaining, stay, or you have to. We're going to pay them what we need, and then the remaining balance, you can pay them in the months them that you're going to stay there. You continue to pay until you get out, and that's what I did. So every month, I go to the post office and I buy my money order, which is it. I screenshot it right there, showing up on Facebook. I go on money order, buy money order, and send in the rent. They have $1,800 for me. Same way for deposit. I'm going to pay them. And because I paint the place, the law is you have to give them back. They don't want to give me my money. You understand? So when they realize, so I live in there an extra month for spite them Ross. For my deposit. So if I could have lived there and stretch it out and go back to court, I say, no, I don't want to live here. Come take up me something I'm already coming. No, so I don't go. So they owe me 1 month rent. So how is it that me owe them something? I don't owe them nothing. And then with this now, it's going to come off of my record in 1 year time. 1 year time. Because them get their money. And them who owe me money. And that is, so when because my furniture now, because of the issue, I make sure somebody left my furniture because I know me already didn't get advice already to get back my money. So I get the same lawyer people them to represent me. And we negotiation now for my furniture with damage. I know all of them damage, but I just me now have the time to go through a situation. And I just so we're in a negotiation of the payment from furniture. So I walk out, left all the furniture and take what I want and give them for give away. Me left from December and yesterday. Yesterday truck come take the furniture them out. Then give it away to somebody. Good luck to them with it. Them get some nice things. Me left my whole bedroom set. I mean say me no want it. So me left that. Me left my $2,000 table. Everything in there 2 years old, me left in there. Me left my wall unit. Me left my wine something. Me left my big 12-seat table, but me not give them a chair. Me left the table. Me never really like a table too, because a table ain't too big. The table look like a large supper. So me say no, me no need a big table there. So me take my chairs them. Me take my 6 chairs. And me carry with me. But me never carry the table because guess what? The table was so big. And me never carry the fridge because I was trying. The guy will come pick up a fridge. Me no know. I threw a professional come in the fridge and could have never get it through the door. We take off all one of the door. And it's still. Me should have take it and lick it and put some dent in it. But true me say, you know what, just to get it 2 years old. $2,300 pay for it allows. Ice maker, everything, big fridge. You know, see my fridge. My big expensive table buy from Ashley. Mostly all of my furniture in there from Ashley. And I walk out, left everything. Over I would say between $12,000 to $13,000 worth of furniture. And it means nothing to me. Because furniture cheap. You can't get them back. So can you imagine now if me have them in a storage now, how much money me have to pay for a big storage? If you go keep them the bill of a furniture there. I think a little bit. That's being said, I have to pay all $600 a month for storage. If me carry them furniture with me. Can you imagine? I mean still end up have 2 storage right now. One big one and a small one. And the only thing in there is my couch. My sectional couch. Me carry with me. I mean, me carry some expensive things. It's like some small antique stuff and some other things. And, you know, some Chester jar where me know some pay up money for like $2,000 and them something there. Especially the marble one there when I have. Me carry those. And me left my bedroom set because me just tired of it. Me had it for like 4 years. The one there. So me just tired of it. 4 or 5 years me had it. And it's so big. It take up your whole room. I don't want a big dresser like that again. You just have this big dress on and you end up every minute you buy whole heap of fangle dangle put on it. No, I don't have time for dresser. I don't want no more dresser again. In my room. Dresser take up with me have when you're looking at the vanity something. You have how much bottle of spray and deodorant. It just make your dresser want. Because me a shopaholic, so my dresser have to full up a whole heap of nice things. And then when you go to the store, you see all the little vase and the candle stick and the this and the that. And I mean, so you see more of something when me have. Eh? Then you put them for your dresser and your dresser start get crowded. Eh? You start to get crowded. You know what? Me no want no more dresser big so. Me work with rich people. I mean, I sit down just in their bedroom. You work with people. If you go a rich house right now, then you know see no dresser in the bedroom. One bed, just like how you see the hotel stay right here. I saw in a rich people house stay. One bed, one settee. You know, one corner if you sit down and read them something and lie down or whatever, and one night table. Sometimes you don't even have 2, and one little armoire in front with the TV on it. Them no have no dresser. Them have them dressing room. With them closet. Nobody don't have time for dresser. Dresser take up the dresser was too long. You know, it's too long. It take up the whole one side of the room. Me no want no more dresser. When me buy want something, I buy one of the Chester jar them the one them where you keep everything and you slide out. You can pack a perfume in there. You can pack them have a part. Them have some new something come out now. where you slide, they organize everything, your makeup, and them have the vanity mirror. Me I go show it to you because I soon go and buy that. Then you see the vanity mirror.